Operating system. An operating system is a system of software that manages computer hardware software resources and provides common services for computer programs. Time sharing operating system schedule tasks for efficient use of the system, and many also include accounting software for cost allocation of processor time, mass storage, printing, and other resources. For hardware functions such as input and output and memory allocation, the operating system acts as an intermediary between programs and the computer hardware. Although the application's code is usually executed directly by the hardware and frequently makes system calls to as an operating system function or is interrupted by it. Operating systems are found on many devices that contains a computer, from cellular phone and video games console to web servers and supercomputers. An operating system is a program that acts as an interface between the software and the computer hardware. It is an integrated set of specialized programs used to manage overall resources and operations of the computer. It is specialized software that contains and monitors the execution of all other programs that reside in the computer, including application programs and other system softwares. Features of operating system: memory management, process management, file management, device management, input output management, secondary storage management, security, command interpreter, networking, communication management, Java accounting. The operating system. The operating system is responsible for all the functions and hardware and also software. Functions like process management, memory management, disk management, networking, security, de device drivers, GUI. Functions of operating system. Main function of operating system is as follows: process management. The process management activities handled by the operating systems are control access to shared resources like file, memory, input, output, and CPU. Second, control execution of applications. Third, create, execute, and delete a process, system process, or user process. Fourth, cancel or resume a process. Fifth one, schedule a process. Sixth one, synchronization of communication and deadlock handling for process. Next one, memory management. The activity of memory management to handled by operating system are: first one, allocate memory; second one, freeing memory; third one, reallocate memory to a program when a user block is freed; and fourth one, keep track of memory usage. Next to file management. The file management task includes: first one, create and delete both files and directories; second one, provide access to files; third one, allocate space to files; fourth one, keep backup files; and fifth one, secure files. Next, device management. The device management task handled by operating system are: first, open, close, and write devices drivers; and second, communicate, control, and monitor the device driver. Next one, protection and security. Operating system protects the resource of system. User authentication, file attributes like read, write, encryption, and backup of data are used by operating system to provide basic protections. User interface and command interpreter. Operating system provides an interpreter interface between the computer user and the computer hardware. The user interface is a set of commands or graphical user interface where which is the user interact with the application and the hardware. Types of operating system: single tasking and multitasking. A single tasking system can only run one program at a time, while a multitasking operating system allows more than one program to be running in concurrency. This is achieved by time sharing, where the available processor time is divided between the multiple processes. These processes are each interrupted repeatedly in time slices by a task scheduling subsystems of the operating system. Multitasking may be characterized in primitive and cooperative types. In a primitive multitasking, the operating system slices the super CPU time and decide a slot to each of the programs. Unix like operating systems such as Solaris and Linux, as well as non-Unix like such as Amiga operating system. Supportive primitive multitasking. Cooperative multitasking is achieved by relying on each process to provide time to the other processes in a defined manner. 6-bit version of Microsoft Windows used cooperative multitasking. 32-bit version of both Windows NT and Win9X used primitive multitasking. Single and multi-user. Single user operating system have no facilities to distinguish users but may allow multiple programs to run in tandem. 6A multi-user operating system extends to the basic concepts of multitasking with facilities that identify processes and resources such as disk space belonging to multi-users, and the system permits multiple users to interact with systems at the same time. Time sharing and operating system. Scheduling tasks for efficient use of the system and may also include accounting software for cost allocation of processor time, mass storage, printing, and other resources to multiple users. Distributed operating system. A distributed operating system manages a group of distinct networked computers and makes them appear to be a single computer as a all computers are distributed or divided amongst themselves constituent computers. Templated operating system. In the distributed and cloud computing context of an operating system, templating refers to creating a single virtual machine image as a guest operating system, then solving it as a tool for multiple running virtual machines. The techniques is used to both in virtualization and cloud computing management and is common in large server warehouses. Embedded. Embedded operating systems are designed to be used in embedded computer systems. They are designed to operate on small machines with less automatically. Example PDS. They are very compact and extremely efficient by design and are able to operate with a limited amount of resources. Windows CE and Minix 3 are some examples of the embedded operating system. Real-time operating system. A real-time operating system is an operating system that guarantees to process events or data by a specific moment in time. A real-time operating system may be single or multitasking, but when multitasking, it uses a specialized scheduling algorithm so that a deterministic nature of behavior is achieved. Such an event driven system switches between the tasks based on their priorities, and external events. Various time sharing operating system switches tasks based on clock interrupts. Library operating system. A library operating system is one which the services that a type of operating system provides, such as networking, are providing in the form of libraries and composed with the applications and configurations code to construct a unikernel, a specialized single address space machine image that can be developed to cloud or embedded environments. Networking operating systems. A networking operating system runs on a server and provides the server the capability to manage data, users, groups, security, applications, and other networking functions. The primary purpose of the networking operating system is to allow shared file and printer access among the multiple computers in a network, typically a local area network LAN, a private network or to other networks. Examples of network operating system includes Microsoft Windows Server 2003, Microsoft Windows Server 2008, Unix, Linux, Mac OS X, or Novel, NetWare, and BSD. Booting process. When our computer is switched on, it can be started by hardware such as a button press or by software command. A central processing unit has no software in its main memory. There is some processing which must load software into main memory before it can be executed. After the computer is turned on, a specific program needs to load in the computer's main memory, which is operating system. In the booting process, system will check all the hardwares and softwares those are installed or attached with the system and all the files those are required for running a system. Also loading its into memory. BIOS integrity check, MBR execute, grub, grub execute kernel, and kernel execute init directory, init insert renewals, and run levels. Hard and cold booting. Restart a computer is referred to as a rebooting. It can be hot or cold. Example, after power to the CPU is switched from off to on. In this category of booting, the computer starts from a completely dead state. For instance, when we press the power button, the system starts with its initial stage. It reads the all the information that is started in the read-only memory room, and automatically the operating system will be loaded into the system main memory. Next, soft or warm booting. In soft or warm booting, the power is not cut. In subsystems, so a soft booting may optionally clear RAM to 0. Graphical user interface. The graphical user interface is a form of user interface that allows users to interact with electronic devices through graphical icons and other indicators such as primary notation instead of text-based user interfaces, typed command labels, or text navigation. Stands for graphical user interface and is run by GUI. It is a user interface that includes graphical elements such as windows, icons, and buttons. The term was created in the 1970s to distinguish graphical interfaces from the text-based ones such as command lines interfaces. However, today nearly all digital interfaces are graphical user interfaces. The first commercially available GUI called PARC was developed by Xerox. It was used by Xerox 8010 information system, which was released in 1981 after Steve Jobs saw the interface during a tour at Xerox. He had his team at Apple develop an operating system with a similar design. Apple Guy based OS was included with the Macintosh, which was released in 1984. Microsoft released their first GUI based operating system, Windows 1.0, in 1984. The system control panel. The control panel adjusts your computer settings. So here we are having the different types of computer settings. First one, systems and security. Review your computer status. Save backup. Copies of your files with file history. Backup and restore Windows 7. Networks and internet. View network status and task choose home group and sharing options. Hardware and sound. View devices and printers. Add a device. Programs. Uninstall a program and install a program. User account. Change account type and appearance and personalization. Clock language and region. Add a language. Change input methods. Change date, time, number and formats. Next, ease of access. Let Windows suggest settings to optimize visual display. The control panel is a component of Microsoft Windows that provides the ability to view and change system settings. It consists of a set of applets that includes adding or removing hardware and software, controlling user accounts, changing accessibility options, and accessing networking settings. Additional applets are provided by the third parties such as audio and video drivers, virtual private network tools, input devices, and networking tools. The control panel has been part of Microsoft Windows since 19 Windows 10 1.01, that is successive version introducing new applets. Beginning with the Windows 95, the control panel is implemented as a special folder, that is the folder does not physically exist but only contains shortcuts to various applets such as add or remove programs and internet options. Physically, these applets are stored as .cpl files. For example, the add or remove programs applets is stored under the name applets.cpl in the system's 32 folder. In Windows XP, the control panel home screen was changed to present a categorized navigation structures reminiscent of navigating a web page. Users can switch between the category view and the grid-based classic view through an option that appears on either the left side or top of the window. In Windows Vista and Windows 7, additional layers of navigation were introduced, and the control panel windows itself become the main interface of editing settings as opposed to launching separate dialogues. Disk operating system internal commands. These commands are automatically loaded into the memory when operating system is loaded into the memory. Thus, these are also called as memory resident commands. These commands available are all combined together and are stored in command.com file, which is a executable command file. These internal commands are further grouped according to their properties. These are as follows: general purpose commands, CLS command, clear screen command, directory command dir, version command vir, volume command vol, date command time command. Next, file related commands, copycon, type, copy con, rename, delete. Directory related commands, so make directory, change directory. Next to rd. Dash command, internal commands. Internal commands, these are the part of operating system. Therefore, these sort of commands are not a separate file on the disk and can be accessed at any time. That is also as long as command cmd is in the command processor that has been loaded on. Date command. The date command of DOS can be used change display as well as change system date of the computer. Syntax: date, enter. Current date 25th May 2020. Enter new date, month, date, year. Time command. The time command can be used to display and change the system's time of the computer. Syntax: time, enter. Current time 9 hours 11 minutes 28 seconds. Enter the new command: hours, months, seconds. Hours, minutes, seconds. CLS command. The CLS command is used to clear the screen and display the fresh screen with the system prompt at the top left corner. Syntax: CLS, enter. Version command. The version DOS presently in use by computer can be known by version command. This command displays the DOS version number. Syntax: ver, enter. Volume command. The command volume displays the volume level of a disk. 11 character name is assigned to disk as DOS volume label. If the disk was not labeled during the formatting or with the label command, the message volume in drive A has no label is displayed. VYL drive name, enter. Copycon. This command gives the facility to create a new file, text file. Copycon file name, copycon rows text example. Control Z, one file copied. After the copycon, we must specify a suitable file name. Press enter. Start timing the information of the file. After gathering the information, press Ctrl Z button or F6 button to save the file. After pressing enter key, computer will show a message like a one file document. This means that file is stored in disk. Suppose we did not want to save the file or we just want to abort from file creation job, then we simply press Ctrl plus C button to abort without saving the file. Intent of pressing Ctrl Z. Note: never forget to give suitable file name. You can use extension as txt for denoting the file as text file. Type. This command is to display the contents of text of any file to the display device. Syntax: type file name. Type gulab text dot text. A clock in a office can never get stolen. Too many employees watch it in all times. So like that we are having the data. Next to copy. Copy command is used for copy of a file to another location or to copy the file to another directory. This command may also use the for copying file to another disk with a different file name. Syntax: copy source file name and target file name. Copy rows text or rows message. One file copied. To copy a file from hard disk to floppy disk, copy rows text A. One file copied. To copy a file from floppy disk to hard disk, copy lotus text C. One file copied. dir directory command is used to for listing files and directories present in the current disk. dir switches dir by p example. Rename ren command. This command is used to change the name of a file or directory. Syntax ren source file name target file name. Example rename rows txt global txt. Rename rows txt to global txt. Note that you can specify a new drive or path your destination. Del command. This command is for erasing any file from the disk. Syntax del file name del lotus.txt. If it is successfully erase the file from disk, then C prompt will be appear. Either computer will show an error message. md command make directory. This command also to create new directory. md directory name md reporter. cd command change directory. We can enter or exist from any directory using the cd command. Syntax to access any directory cd directory name cd reporter. Example cd report. Prompt your change with the directory name. If we two dots after cd command, then we will exist from the directory cd dot dot report cd dot dot and c. rd remove directory. This command is used when we want to remove any unusable directory from our disk. rd directory name rd reporter. Path. This command is used for display or set directories for executable files. Syntax of path. This command display current path settings. Path is equal to c windows command c windows ctc. This command will set the directories windows. The command subfolders of windows and tc folder for executable files. Operating system will be look for executable files in these directories. Note if you need any help for the above dash commands, so the we put a slash question symbol after writing the command at DOS. Example cd directory slash question cd copy directory slash question. Disk operating system external commands. External commands are known as disk residence commands because they can be stored with the DOS directory or any disk which is used for getting these commands. These commands help perform some specific task. They are stored in a secondary storage device. So some important external commands are given below. More, mem, sys, xerox copy, move, fc, check disk, sort, find, a disk copy, attrib, label, disk, DOS key, forma. More command. Using type command, we can see the contents of any file. But if length of file greater than 25 lines, then remaining line will scroll up. To overcome through this problem, we use more command. Using this command, we can pause a display after each 25 lines. Type file name more. Type rows text more. Directory more. The mem command. This command displays free and used amount of memory in the computer. // mem. The computer will display the amount of memory. Sys command. This command is used for copy system files to any disk. These disks having system files are known as bootable disk, while which are used for booting the process. System disk drive name. System E, system file transports. This command will transfer three main systems: filecommand.com, input.out system.command, ms.system command to the floppy disk. Scopy. When we need to copy a directory instant of a file from one location to another location, we use scopy command. This command is much faster than copy command. Scopy source name and target name. Scopy tc and turbo sys. Here we are observing the desktop and its components. In the desktop, we are having the folder icons, system icons, shortcut icons, start button, quick launch bar, and taskbar, system tree or notification areas, etc. on desktop components. Desktop and its components. All programs. It displays all those programs which are installed in your system. Document. It displays a list of folders used by the user. Recent file. It displays the recent file used files. My picture. It displays a list of my pictures. My music. It displays a list of music and songs, etc. My computer. It displays the drives of computers where user keeps his or her work, file, folder, song, video, picture, and ebook, etc. Control panel. It displays all the installed computer programs, softwares. Printer. It displays the installed printers. If a printer is installed in the system, user can take a print easily. Help support. It helps user to know how to do a particular task. Search. It helps a user to find a file computer. Run. It helps to start an application program or execute to DOS command. Settings. It is a different option that help to manage different settings of the computer software as well as hardware. Log off. It helps a user to log off the currently logged in user of the system. Sleep. It makes the system non-functional. However, puts the ongoing work and setting in memory and also keep drawing a small amount of power. Next to it is a trash location where deletes files remain stores. Once you delete any sort of files, it gets stores automatically into recycling bin. Therefore, if you mistakenly deleted some important files, do not open it. Go to recycle bin and restore it. However, if you delete a file from recycling bin as well as then it is very difficult to restore permanently delete files. Internet options. The options shortcut keys of the internet browser may be available on the main screen or at the bottom menu or as shown in the image given below. However, if do not find it both these places, go to the menu as all programs are listed there. Quick launch bar or quick launch toolbar includes buttons to launch your favorite programs. You can rename the button using your music mouse. Just click and hold an operating button and drag it to different positions. The title bar at the top of every window is the title bar. The center of the title bar displays either the name of the program you are currently working in or relevant information about what is happening in the program at any given moment when the windows is not maximized. This is where you can click and drag to move the window at a new location on the screen. Minimize, maximize, close buttons. In the upper right hand corner of the windows are the three buttons used to minimize, maximize and close the window. Minimize the window shut shrinks it to nothing and place it out of sight. Maximizing the window makes it full the screen and locks into position so that it cannot be moved by dragging it till the title bar. Closing the window shut down the program. The scroll bar at the right side of the window is the scrolling bar, which appears only if there is information needs to be displayed beyond the button range of the current window size. Clicking and dragging on the slider in the scroll bar moves the contents of the windows up or down so you can view all of the data available. The menu bar. Most programs will have a menu bar visible in the upper left hand corner of the window. The menu bar appears a text for most programs and usually starts with file at the file left. Accessing the menu allows you to view various commands available to the program, including closing programs or the window. Move. Move command is used for moving one file to or multiple files from one location to another location or from one disk to another disk. Move file name, path name. Songs move mp3 songs word songs. fc file command file compare. This command is capable for comparing two sets of files and display difference between the two files. fc first set of file and second set of files. fc rose text and gulab text. Check disk. This command is used to check the status of a disk and show the reports of result status. chkdsk. Windows accessories. Windows XP provides several accessories or applications that you can use to help in your work. These accessories are not full featured programs, but they are useful for specific bugs in the Windows environment. Accessories includes calculator, a painting program, a word processor, a text editor, and internet applications. Internet applications are discussed in part A, connecting to the internet, tasks, using control, using command prompt, using WordPad, typing text, selecting text, deleting text, copying text, moving text, formatting text, using Notepad, using Paint, or drawing a shape with paint, adding text to a drawing, adding color to a drawing, erasing a part of a drawing. Windows accessories includes accessibility, entertainment, address book, calculator, command prompt, notepad, paint, program compatibility wizard, synchronize, tour window XP, Windows Explorer, WordPad, system tools, scanner and camera wizard, communication, etc. Icons in Windows. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. It is a small graphical representation of a program or file. When you double click on an icon, the associated file or program will be opened. Object type 1. One type of icons is an object icon. Examples of object icons are My Computer, Recycle Bin, and Internet Explorer. These icons allows us to open files and programs on our computer. Shortcut icons. Shortcut icons allows us to open an application quickly. These icons appears on our desktop and with a little arrow in the left corner. Desktop shortcuts or shortcut icons are links to file and program. We can add or delete a shortcut without affecting the program on out of computers. Mouse operations. A mouse operation is important device. A mouse is an input device that is used on a computer. The following are basic operations used in a mouse. Left click. The left mouse button is used for object selecting and double clicking. Right clicking. The right mouse button mostly used to open pop-up menus which perform specific functions when selected by right click. Double click. Used to open objects such as file and icons. Drag. Used to move the selected objects to the desired position. Scroll. Used to for scrolling up and down on a web page or document, or read or more on binary. Input restrictive binary net question 1,30,443,760 slash read more, etc. How to create a new file in Windows? To create an empty file that holds a certain type of information, follow these steps. Open the Windows Explorer, Windows where the new file is required. Right click a blank area in the Windows display area and then choose new from the shortcut menu that appears. Choose the type of file you want to create, such as MS Office Word document, MS Excel worksheet, text document, briefcase, and so on from the new submenu. Replace the temporary file name such as new document to micro word document by typing a name or your choosing and pressing enter. How to rename and delete a file in Windows. To rename a file, locate the file, right click on the file icon, choose rename. The file name is highlighted in blue, ready to be retyped. Type a new name and press enter. The file is renamed. To delete a file, select the file which you want to delete. Right click on the file icon, choose delete. A confirm file delete dialog box appears asking user whether he surely wants to send the file to be recycling bin. Choose yes. The file is moved to the recycling bin. How to create a new folder in Windows. To create a empty folder, follow these steps. Open a Windows Explorer window such as Documents and Computers, in which the new folder is to appear. To click the new folder button on the Windows toolbar. Replace the temporary folder name new folder by typing a name of your choosing and then pressing enter. To rename a folder, select the folder, right click on the folder icon, choose rename. The folder name is highlighted in blue, ready to be retyped. Type a new name and press enter. How to delete a folder? To delete a folder, select the folder, right click on the folder icon, choose delete. A confirmation folder delete dialog box appears asking user whether he surely wants to send the file to the recycling. Choose the folder is moved to the recycling. How to open and close Windows application. Click on start button in the taskbar. Click on all programs and slide mouse pointer until you have selected the program you want to open. Click to open the program you want to have selected. To close window application program. To close a program, click the close button located at the top right of the window.